Hey guys, I just want to share my experience today that I had at customer service in Corona Accurate Real Manufacturing. I bought this one on Amazon, the BV 500. I have that 400 2-speed. This is a 2-speed, and I got a 600 in the car 2-speed. And normally I don't buy on Amazon reels, but I knew already that I had, that one and the other one and another 400, and I had an idea about, how the reel is. And this one right here was having a defect, like on this line right here. You see the smooth line just below the marks. There's like a design line. Now that one right there was all messed up because of the CNC router, my guess. And then the writing, it was in like a thinner line. The lines was thinner, so pretty much was not looking like this one, right? And it wasn't as smooth like the other ones. When I got this one, I bought it hands-on, and I could tell how smooth it is. So when I talked to somebody over the internet just the day I got it, and I was like, I explained them, what's wrong, and I sent them a picture. They said, it's fine if I go over there and they're gonna replace it, right? And then when I got over there, there was a lady at the front desk right there that she gave me a hard time. She made me feel that I'm crazy. Like she was saying that all the reels, they're the same, and she was showing me one like this. She was showing me this one with the writing like that, and the other one with the skinny writing. And then on the other side, on the error on that design line, she was saying that most of them, they're the same. Like she had like a few other exposed right there. None of them, they were like that, and mine, the ones that I have, they're not like that. And she was kind of making me feel like I'm wrong, and yeah, I mean, she did it anyway. She did change it, and then she gave me shit about the fact that there was red grease inside. So when I got it, because it was not smooth like I was saying earlier, I opened it, and I did add some grease, some synthetic grease, and it's usually a good brand. It's red, right? And then she was saying that can void the warranty, and actually voids the warranty, but she's still gonna take care of me, but it's actually voiding the warranty because it's red grease that you grease in there. So bottom line, Accurate reels, I love them. Buy one hands-on, do not order online. Buy them hands-on, and if you like what you have in your hands, buy that thing. Do not buy anything else. And as far as the customer service, it was an unpleasant situation over there. It could have been way better. I didn't need to hear any kind of shit when I pay like $600 for a reel. It's just simple fact. I mean, you gotta just replace the reel. I mean, do not. I'm not crazy, and she made me feel like I'm crazy, So that's why I want to share my experience with Accurate customer service, straight out of Corona, California, the place where they make them. Thanks, guys.